is a record of 12 violent days of racing. One season of America's fast and vicious Trans Am Championship. Trans Am racing is North America's newest thrill sport, combining tough twisting Grand Prix style circuits with specially prepared production cars, Mustangs, Camaros, Firebirds, Cougars, and believe it or not, an all-American challenge. First time out, the red, white, and blue Javelins from American Motors.
People ask us sometimes why American Motors goes racing. I guess the question is the same that the mountain climber answers the question. Why do you climb a mountain? You climb a mountain because it's there, and you go racing because it's a challenge.
That's the why of American Motors' surprising entry into big-time racing. The who and the what are